First of all, thanks for watching this video. I rarely put any effort in my videos since I'm not a YouTuber, but sometimes I think it's just worth creating an edited video when I want to spread some good vibes about a game or a product that I like. So this is my video of a complete build of a My Retro computer system. Since Sean has put so much effort in packaging, I will show the full unboxing here. Later on in the video I will fast forward most of it so you don't get totally bored. This is exactly how the system looked when it arrived. It was sent to me rather quickly, but DHL managed to try to deliver the package to the wrong address, and that was in the north of Sweden, and Sweden is a tall country, so it took an extra couple of days to get here. But overall it took 6 days from England to Sweden, so it's not too bad. I bought all other components for the build from Amazon, just because I'm quite busy right now and I'm working a lot and late during the days, so actually it was rather good to just have it delivered to my door. The keyboard quality is actually really awesome. I was surprised about the firm click of the keys, so really good quality of the whole thing. I'm actually really impressed. The plastic feels like quality plastic too, so I'm pretty happy with the build. It's finished. It will show in the end, and I'll show some samples how it will perform. I just wish my dad would have been alive to see this. He would have loved that my first computer he bought for me is back from the 80s in this modern performance computer with our retro looking bread bin case. So enjoy the rest of the video, and once again thanks for watching. Okay, Sean, sorry mate. I know you're probably very proud of your work here, but I really want this to look original, so this have to go, sorry.